So yeah, the wife and I, we're starting our trip off in Flagstaff. We're using a website called Boondockers Welcome, where you can find local people to stay with, and it's kind of nice when you're first starting out the trailer life to know that you can find some places that have good electricity, good water, and a safe place to store your things while you go out and explore the town. So if you're ever thinking about doing this, I couldn't recommend that website more. I'll have all the websites down in the description of the video, so definitely go check them out, you know. And on top of that, coinciding with the beginning of our trip, I'm also going to be riding for Ride All Day. They're an awesome company based out of Colorado, and I can't wait to spread the message across the country, and neither can the dogs. The great thing about riding over Eldon is you're like 15 minutes away from downtown Flagstaff, so you're right there, able to grab a beer and some food immediately after a ride. And I'm gonna go to my favorite spot, the Lumberyard Brewing Co. After a long ride, the best place in my opinion to come in Flagstaff is the Lumberyard Brewing Company. If you're in Flagstaff and have children, I highly recommend coming to check out the Pioneer Museum. It's got some really cool interactive exhibits and just really good to teach the youth about the history and how good they have it today. Always got to come to Freddy's at some point when you're up in Flagstaff. It's not local necessarily, but man, you cannot beat their frozen custard. Alright, the wife and I are up top at the Lowell Observatory in Flagstaff just to see the view. Don't laugh at me.
What else would you be doing?
Checking out the observatory.
Yeah, unfortunately.
Unfortunately, the observatory is reservation only right now. But you can see it behind us.
Pluto was discovered. Very exciting.
What was that awesome fact?
Space fact.
Space fact. Pluto was discovered here in Flagstaff.
Over y'all.
As they say, leave no trace.
Someone's leaving trace.
The damn stoners out here leaving trash everywhere.
Let's start calling you Phase 2.
Many moon gas giants. The planetary symbols. All right, walking around Flagstaff, downtown, taking in the sights. It's a beautiful night. Ooh, the place where you go to pay your speeding tickets. I know it well. Ooh, Freemasons. Ooh, olive oils. I wonder if theirs are as good as the ones in Sedona. Oh, a space for rent. Someone put a 20th bike shop here. Oh. Oh. Let's go to the old town shops. Woo. You can get some souvenirs down here at the old town shops. Come and support local while you're up here. Woo. The Lotus Lounge.
They have
Oh, they have Asian food. Nice.
squid salad.
Mountain Sports downtown. Earthbound for all you hipsters out there.
All hipsters.
Ooh, art gallery for the wealthy person with money to throw away. Oh, there's another outdoor sports place across from the other outdoor sports place. Welcome to Flagstaff. Sightseeing. A closed brew pub. Irish Pub Bar and Grill. Let's check it out. Ooh, nighttime in Flagstaff. Downtown Flagstaff getting festive with it. Ooh, colorful tree. Oh, the pine cone's not lit up. We're saving it for.
What was the other day?
The Orpheum Theater, where you could come see live shows if we weren't being ravaged by a pandemic. Such a beautiful night. Chilly, but beautiful. The pine cone's not lit up, but you can watch the great pine cone drop at some point. Ooh.
Little cake slices.
That's a crazy looking smoke shop. Whoa, spooky zombies. Downtown Flagstaff has some of the coolest little shops and little restaurants. Definitely worth checking out.